Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Following that, select Advanced, click on Font Size, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you are ready, just go back. As you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!